Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be creating a really simple autumn mani using dip powders from Sundara Nails. We're jumping right into this mani today and we're doing the gel method. And we're starting off with this beautiful color here called Hello October. It is by far the perfect transition into autumn color here. It has like this beautiful sagey like slight shimmer background, and then it has the most gorgeous flakies in here, and these flakies remind me of like leaves that already changed color that fell to the ground, and then somebody like crumpled them up and stuck them into this beautiful dip powder. That's what this dip reminds me of, because these flaky foils are red, orange, gold. They are stunning and they just remind me of crushed leaves. You will also notice that these flakes definitely have a color shift to them. They are chameleon flakes, so that is just an extra plus when it comes to this gorgeous dip. So we are going in with a second coat here of gel polish. We are using the HEMA 21 free gel polish from Sundara Nails. If you're wondering why that bottle is white, I stocked up on the bottle before they repackaged it into that stunning black bottle. So I have a whole bunch of the white bottles, so we're just using it up, and then we will get into those gorgeous black bottles, which I'm obsessed with from Sundara Nails. So I'm just gently tapping in those chameleon flakes. You can really see the color payoff here of the two dips versus one. Now it is a thermal change, so right now it's this like beautiful sagey green, and then when it does that thermal change, it turns into a clear. So that's really pretty. So it's going to pair a lot with any color that you tie into this mani. We're going to be using a really gorgeous color here to tie in these colors all together, and we're going to cure this now for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like with a third dip. Now this is really when it comes to life. This dip powder is super finely milled and the gel base is a very thin consistency, so we're getting a really smooth thin application with each dip, which helps reduce that filing and buffing. But this powder right here with a third dip is by far phenomenal, and it is just so gorgeous with a third dip. It just has like all this dimension with these chameleon flakes, and we like layered chameleon flakes. It's so pretty. So now we're going into this beautiful color right here called Acoma Pueblo, and it is everything. Wait till you see the first dip. Isn't this gorgeous? This color right here screams autumn. It's like the perfect transition color. I really like it. It's like a warm clay color, and it has the most gorgeous gold sparkle in it. It is so pretty, and I love this color so much paired with Hello October. I really feel like that, just like I said, it's just the perfect transition into fall here. So I'm only going to do two dips of this color right here, and you're going to really see the colors come to life. So we're going to go ahead and cure it for 30 seconds. Anytime I go in and dip a nail, I always go ahead and cure it before we dust off. If you are looking for lamp suggestions, I will link that in the description box below. I'm completely obsessed with the Sundara nail lamp. It is also rechargeable, and it's really gorgeous as well, and I love it so much. So I will link that in the description box below. But check out this color here with two dips versus one. You can just really see that just gorgeous brown reddish color come to life. I like how it has a slight red undertone to it, and then it has like these beautiful fine gold shimmers to it. It's just overall just a great color and just perfect for that fall season, and could not be happier with how this mani turned out. Also, if you are sensitive to gel liquids or anything like that, all the Sundara nail gel products are HEMA 21 free. Also, you could try a rubber based gel and a rubber top coat. That is the most sensitive formula, so if you have any gel allergies, you could definitely try a rubber base and the rubber top coat to do the gel method. So that's another option for you. So we're curing this for 30 seconds here, and we're going to dust it off, and now it's time to file and buff. Now filing and buffing was a breeze. All I needed to do was clean up the sidewalls and the free edge and just kind of just reshape just a little bit, and that was it. That's as easy as it was to file these beautiful powders. They're super finely milled, and the combination of the base coat coat and the dip powders just laid so good together, and it laid really flat, so I did not have to buff the top. Then to seal in this mani here, we're going to go in with a layer of gel base, and then that's when you're going to see all this color come to life. We're going to cure it for 30 seconds here, and then we're going to finish up with gel top coat, and then we're also going to cure it for 60 seconds, and I'm going to finish up the rest of the top coat off camera. And here's the finished mani. Now tell me this doesn't scream autumn fall, and how gorgeous are these two colors together. I feel like Acoma Pueblo really brings in those chameleon flakes from Hello October and just totally ties in everything together, and it just has like this beautiful slight shimmer to it. It's not too over powerful, which it really still brings in the sparkle from Hello October. I just love it so much. So this was just a sprinkle of autumn fall mani for you, and I'm kind of ready for it. I like to do the autumn fall manis a little bit early on my channel so you can get some inspo, and if there's something that you have your eye on, that you can get it in time and still enjoy it during the fall autumn season. And you can find everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in the next upload.